Okay, we are going to solve this problem. In this problem, we need to create a function to check a number. If that number is less or equal to 19, we return the difference between that number and 19. If not, we are going to compute the difference from that number minus 19, okay, and multiply by 3 that result. So in this case we need to create a function. We can call it difference and specify a parameter. We can call that parameter n. That will be the number that the user passed to the function. Now we use the if statement and check if the number is less or equal to 19. N less or equal to 19. If that condition is true, we return the difference n minus 19. Okay. Now, if not, else we compute the difference and multiply by 3. Return, open parentheses, and in this case we specify n minus 19 and multiply that result by 3. We use the asterisk to express the multiplication between two operands. 3. Okay. Now we can use that function. We can call it and in the first invocation we can pass, for example, 3. So this part of the if else statement is true. So we get 16 we get as result minus 16. That is the result that we get. Okay, I will copy this and paste in here in this line of code. I will pass 20. So 20 minus 19 is 1. By 3 we get 3. Here is the result for that case. Okay, one more text for the difference function. Specify Siri and execute again. We get series 3 because n is not less or equal to 19, so we perform this expression. 3 minus 19 is 11. By 3 we get series 3.